Hello, in this video let's explain about the wiring of the motor control circuit as a left hand right hand star delta. We want to use a PLC in this common circuit. This is the PLC device that we want to use for the common circuit. First, we will explain about the wiring of the inputs and then about the wiring of the outputs. On this PLC, we display the inputs with the letter X. In this section, there is an entry card where you must connect the entries you have to this section. So first, we need to connect the wire from the positive side of the 24-volt power supply to the SS pin of the PLC input card. So we connect one end of the wire to the positive side of the power supply and the other end of the base of SS PLC. From here to the SS base PLC. Well, now we have connected the SS pin to the positive of the power supply. Now we have to connect the wire from the input card to the inputs on the board here. We use these three inputs to command the PLC, and the other leg of this input should be connected to 0 volts of the power supply. We connect one end of the wire to the X0 input here, and this is the X1, I think. And we connect the other end of the wires to stop. And we connected another wire to X1 input, and connect the other end of the wire to start one. Here, and connect another wire to X3 input, and connect the other end of the wire to start delta. Now we have to connect the other pin of these three inputs to connect it to the COM PLC pin. We use a wire for a bridge the pin for a base 2 and connect it to the PLC base. And we connect it here. And we connected this part here and connect a direct wire to COM. And connect the wire from this, and we connect the direct wire to COM in the 0 in the power supply. And you connect this part of this input as well. So you have to connect the inputs like this and connect it to the COM PLC base. Now the wiring related to the input is finished. For the output, we must use the wire that comes out of the RCB switch, and connected to the pulse control and load control, which is this wire, and we need to connect this wire to the C0 base of the PLC. We connect from the C0 here to the Z0 in this way. And from the output card, we connect 4 wires to A1 coil conductor. We connect one end of the wire to Y0 from here to A1 conductor, and connect the other end of the wires to A1 conductor here. Okay, we connect another end of the wires to Y1 again, and we connect the other end of the wires to A1 of this conductor. Okay, we connect another end of the wire to Y2 again, and we connect the other end of the wires to A1 of this conductor. As you can see, we connect another end of the wires to Y3 again, and we connect the other end of the wires to A1 of this conductor. You can change the order of the output in this PLC section. Now you have to pay attention to which outputs each conductor is connected to, and pay attention to these addresses in the program you write. Now you have to connect A2 conductor together and then to the zero base of the terminals, that you connect one end of the wires to this part and the other end to A2 base. You can use double wire show. In this way, the A2 base, this was the string circuit wiring. We only wire A1 and A2 bases. In the next video, I will explain to you about the programming and execution. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.